Okay, so good morning, everybody, and thank you, Piyush, for having me today here. It's a beautiful opportunity and beautiful to be here with amongst all. And who am I? I believe and I practice that, first of all, I'm a human, and then I believe that I am just pure awareness. It may sound fancy to you, but I'm practicing that and I'm believing that. But when one understands this, you can also do that. Because as a human, if I am experiencing this, as a human you can do the same, right? So I am just pure awareness who is experiencing this humanity in the most beautiful way through this body, and you can call it Nikhil. And I'm really thankful to Nikhil that I am experiencing this humanity in the most beautiful and refined way. And if I can do that, so can you all guys. So how exactly I got to know this humanity in the most beautiful way? Through healing. Am I audible to all? So through healing I have explored myself. I have explored different side of humanity. So what is healing? So I'm going to tell you in the most basic way जो आपको समझ आ जाए. Healing is when you allow your body to act with complete acceptance and realization of who you are and how you are. You might have the awareness of who you are, but what you might be missing is the understanding of this body, how this inner engineering works with what you give it to every day. So understanding this inner engineering of this body is healing, because when you understand this, everything else will follow. And to understand the inner engineering of this body, this is the one simple step that any human can follow, and it is the breath. Because I believe, and you will believe it too, that breath is the most present thing in every human or in any soul. कभी भी किसी भी स्ट्रेस सिचुएशन में होते हैं, सबसे पहली चीज क्या आती है याद? चेक करो उसकी सांस चल रही है कि नहीं. टेक अ फ्यू डीप ब्रेथ्स. कोई भी एडवांस लेवल प्रैक्टिशनर आपको कोई 2 मिनट का सोल्यूशन बताएगा. It is always related to breathing. But sadly, in the world, there are so many different activities happening which is dividing yourself to this basic humanity. Everybody is telling you to do this, and they are making you dependent on so many things in the name of healing and spirituality. But I kept my approach very simple here. If I can make you understand, if I can make you comfortable within your own skin, and if you understand the basic, then you can handle any situation in your life. So make sense, guys? So in today's session, we're going to explore more about breathing, how we are breathing, what is the impact of right breathing, and if we are breathing wrong, what is the impact it can create on our daily life, and how the right way of breathing can improve our quality of life. So we're going to do certain breathing exercises. We're going to understand different kriyas, what is the impact, understanding of it, then little bit of meditation, some guided meditation. What is meditation? How exactly a normal person can do the meditation without getting stuck into so many hi-fi activities which is happening all over the world. Make sense? Great. Now please stand up. So just normal body movements.
Allow your mind to settle on the rhythm of your breath. Let each inhale and exhale guide you inward.
Yes, very good, ma'am. बहुत बढ़िया. मैम को देखिए सब मैम अच्छा कर रही है. गौरव जी, गौरव मैम थोड़ा सा ऊपर देखिए. Okay, relax.
If your mind begins to wander, that's perfectly okay. Let it drift without judgment, like a leaf floating down a stream. You're not here to correct or control, only to notice and allow.
8 बार आ रहा है. All together, are we on the same page? So this is the right way of inhaling. You know the way, right? Just breathe right. You think you can guide from behind? Solar plexus our heart chakra and our throat chakra. All three chakras are suppressed. इसीलिए आपने नोटिस किया होगा जब आपको गुस्सा होता है आप समझ नहीं पाते क्या बोल रहे हैं. The rhythm of your body, fire center, ये suppressed रहेगा तो you will not feel anything. और जो हमारी intuitions है वो यहीं से काम करती है. So you should be relaxed, you should breathe right when you really want to be creative in your work. Make sense to everybody? तो बंद करेंगे हाथ ऐसे होगा. Yes. Process वही है. हाँ, yes, this is the right way. Yes, good, good, good. Good, Ashfaq ji. Another. Shagun ji.
This is the moment you're in.
ठीक है? अभी जब हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो आपको रियलाइज होगा कि हाउ डीपली सक इट इज. ओके? सो देखते रहिए. Meditation means simple awareness of self and surroundings. ठीक है? So 5 मिनट के लिए we'll do this practice. So basically when you create that vibration into your system through a ma, you basically अपनी बॉडी को आप ऐसे झंझोड़ रहे हैं. So everything is coming up और वो इमोशंस या फिर किसी भी रूप में बाहर आ सकता है. Make sense? A from your belly, U from your chest, Ma from here.
Bring your attention to the sensations of breathing.
Feel the warmth, gratitude and love which you just have created. Hug yourself with all the love and warmth. Open your eyes and look at me. Keep this hug there. So this is the moment of appreciation. This is the moment of acceptance. And it shows you that you are worthy, you are capable and you are beautiful in your own ways. So, but sometime in life we forget to give that love to ourselves. So today this is what we have learned: acceptance, appreciation and self-awareness. And for more appreciation, this is the practice that I do every day. क्योंकि I think ये 5 वर्ड हैं जो शायद ही कोई हमें बोलता है, लेकिन बोलता है तो एक अंदर से है, एक वो बटरफ्लाई इफेक्ट होता है ना, वो होता है. एंड दिस 5 words are: I am proud of you. So I am proud of all of you for showing up today for yourself, for making all the efforts that you made today. I am proud of you for showing up in life every single day and winning your silent battle which no one knows about. I am proud of you that you are still choosing life. Well, there are so many people in this world, they are not able to. So feel that gratitude, feel that love and say with me: for everything I am doing for myself, for every day that I am doing to make life better, for every day that I am showing up, for that I am proud of myself. Tap your shoulders. I am proud of myself more than I know. Thank you for existing. Thank you guys, and thank you for making this world more beautiful with your existence and with your light that you are spreading every day. Love and peace.
Thank you. I think breathing is very important. We generally forget it. I think that's the most wonderful thing
That's
I've
the
learned
learning.
from this session.
Yes.
So my
Thank
learning
you.
is that one.
Thank you.
After the jaw exercise,
Yeah.
right, I had felt a lot of suppressed emotions coming out,
that's
and I
good too.
felt very emotionally vulnerable,
Yes.
like almost about to cry, or and I still feel like that. I don't know why. Like a lot of pent up
Yes,
aggression or something has just surfaced.
So it's good
It
for you?
was really beneficial for me, and even the techniques that you taught, that how to actually inhale and exhale,
Yes.
that was such a basic thing,
Yes.
but it's something that no
We
one
miss.
ever taught us.
Yes.
So, yeah, thank you for the session.
Feeling relaxed, light, and full of energy. Thank you. Thank you, Nikhil.
Biggest thing, my takeaway is when you're aware about your surroundings. I mean, this is the kind of thing you can remain in all the time.
Yeah.
So we meditate every day, every hour, every single minute or second. So yeah, being in the surrounding awareness is something that is the best takeaway for me. Thank you. Thank you to both of you.
I was not feeling well earlier, but after the session, I'm feeling really light and comparatively a lot better than before. And the exercises and everything which you have taught me, it has really worked for me, and I think that I will try to practice it more. And I hope, like what I felt today, like I feel better.
Tell me.
I mean, it indeed, the breathing, like the right breathing is a game changer. And I feel like it is much needed for everyone to understand. And thank you so much, Nikhil, for this session. I feel light, to be honest. That's it.
I mean, that was the whole purpose. Thank you.
When we did that session where we were completely exposing the jaw out and breathing, inhaling, and vocal breathing basically, that was the shift where after that particular practice, I felt fluidity a lot, like weightlessness. I was able to sense I'm fluid like air or water, complete unclogged, and very much in sync with the surroundings and the energy. So that was the shift, and after that, everything was leveling up, observing the surroundings and enjoying everything which is right now over here, and forgetting everything which was kind of a baggage on the head, which we keep on carrying every day in and out. So that was kind of a reboot, I would say.
I think it was much needed.
Yeah.
That's our soul.